Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open your Binance application in your mobile. So from the home page, you have to tap on these three bars in the top left corner. On a computer, just go to the top right and click on your profile icon, and then you can go and tap on this arrow beside your name and then go for this security. And in security you will see these options here: pass keys, authenticator app, email or password. We are going for this authenticator app. This is also known as Google Authenticator. So click there and then you have to tap on this enable. First of all, you are going to be sent a verification code to your email. After you finish the verification, you will be taken to a page which says link an authenticator, and we get given these steps. So first of all, make sure you've got the Authenticator app on your phone. I have already got it here, as you can see. If you haven't, open the Play Store or App Store and get it. Then what you need to do is click on this plus button, and then you can click on this scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll do the setup key option. Then what you need to do is go back to this Binance and simply copy this key here. Then just paste your key here. Then you can name it. I'm going for this Binance and click on this add. And then your Binance authentication is done. Now if you go back here, click on this next, and now as you can see authenticator app code. Now you have to go to your authenticator and you just have to go to that Binance. You have to copy this code here, as you can see, copy it. Now come back to the Binance and simply paste it. Tap on this submit, and as you can see authenticator app is successful. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.